So let's take a look at what to be expecting for the day on our odd US dollar. So those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel and you have not done that yet, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So when you take a look at this our trend, which is our current trend on odd US dollar, you will clearly see that this is a downtrend move. As you can clearly see a series of lower low and a lower high. Now this is our first low, then here comes the lower high. This is also our lower low. Here comes the lower high. Markets eventually drop to form a lower low here. Here comes the lower high. Markets eventually drop again and form a lower low. Here comes the lower high. So with this movement, right, we should be expecting market to drop again and form a new lower low. So guys, a bearish move for the day is what we will be expecting on odd USD. So have it in mind that in the long run, AUD USD will still push up. The overall trend on our AUD USD is still an uptrend move because this is still a bullish move. Market is still bullish, right? So this downtrend move that market is just doing is just a minor trend that very soon it will change and it will start pushing up. So for now, let's expect AUD US dollar to sell. Once it sells, then later we can now start looking for a setup for the buy. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on those updates, click on that subscribe button, like and share.